Okay, I want to take a moment to talk with you about taking notes on the person, the inventor that you're researching more about. I did want to start here at the NetTracker page because there is another way. If you know exactly the person that you want to know more about, like I was thinking of John Deere, if I knew I wanted him, from the search bar, I can put in his name and choose famous person, and it will search just that part of the web collection, and there he is. And then I'm back to the results that I got to through browsing the other way. So that first article that I saw was very short, but I did see some notes in there that he made the first American cast steel plow. So I want to take a note about that. And the options I have for taking a note, I want you to use one of the note-taking tools you have in your Google Drive. So you have Google Documents, which is fine. The other thing I'm going to recommend is a mind map, and I would recommend MindMup. MindMup. You can get that out of the Google Drive store, and I'm going to put in who I'm learning more about, and then I'm going to add a bubble off of this and put in that he made the first American plow. So I highlighted and copied in the other tab, and now I'm pasting in. Let me go back and get it again though. So the thing I am doing is going between tabs. So I'm using a digital resource here, and I'm taking notes in a digital tool. So I do have to have them both open in the tab up here so I can go back and forth. And then I'm going to add another part, and I'll just paste that in. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the article. So I know he made the plow, and it says impact. And the impact they talk about is that they started selling a lot of these. And I don't know that I understand enough from that to know what did it matter that he sold a bunch of these. So I can actually go back, but before I do this, I do want to make sure I am writing or recording the source that I used to get this information about the plow. NetTracker has a great feature that any web page I'm looking at in NetTracker, you can just copy the URL for this right up here. I click on that, it's copied to my clipboard, which means I can go back over here and I could actually add a new box, which I do want to do, and let's just do this. Actually, let's do it off of that. I'm going to put the URL right there. So I just did